once again for the renegade master. D4 down with the ill behavior. Back once again for the back once again for the back once again for the back once again back once again for the renegade master. D4 damage, power to the people. Back once again for the renegade master. D4 damage with the ill behavior. Back once again for the renegade master. D4 damage, power to the people. Back once again for the renegade master. D4 damage with the ill behavior. Can you feel it? Feel it? Feel it? Feel it? Feel 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 it? 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 F
I just wanna get loose when the beat drops.
This is where I heal my hurt. For tonight, God is a DJ.
What you got when the animals.
I'm here at HPE Discover with Ken Wan, and last time we talked a little bit about what HPE is doing with Azure Stack, and now I hear you guys are announcing something here.
That's right. So we're super excited here at Discover to be announcing our Azure Stack offering. You know, this Azure Stack offering, we've been working a lot with Microsoft over the last few months so that we bring this capability to our customers. And what it does is it allows customers to run Azure consistent services from their data center. So some companies are a little concerned about putting certain applications or data into a public cloud. Well, now we have a cloud that you can put in your data center that's fully compatible with Azure public cloud. So if you develop an application, for example, in Azure, you can deploy it into a private cloud with no change in the application. So really exciting. We're seeing a huge amount of interest in this offering.
So what about customer examples? Do you have any yet?
A lot of customers are super excited about this, and there's a few really key use cases that we're seeing where customers are really engaging on this. One of these is, I'll talk about one of our partners, OCSL. So OCSL is a partner that provides managed services to customers to help them architect their hybrid IT environment. And just as a hybrid IT environment, meaning that their customers are looking for an environment that has public clouds, private clouds, traditional IT environment, and some mix of that. So OCSL's customers, many of them, while they're using a public cloud for some reasons, for some of their workloads for performance reasons or privacy reasons or other reasons, they want to have a managed service because they don't want to put it into a public cloud. So what OCSL is doing is taking this Azure Stack solution that we have, putting it in their data center.